Yeah, you know what I wish, but I wish it with love. Cause there's hate in my heart for the ones up above. Our lives won't live the same. Is the hate in your heart for the misfits enough? Yeah, for the misfits enough. You got the likes, I don't get how I missed this. We are the rare, you don't know how to distance. Now we take a curtain call. Who we are, we never saw.
So I think today we're going to put the 5.3 back in the frame. I need to get it sealed up and primered, but before I do that I got to add some mounts back in here. What I had originally was junk, some eBay garbage. It didn't work very well, but now we have our frame boxed in, cross member, suspension, all that goodies. So now I picked up a set of these. These are some universal small block mounts, and they should bolt right up to our ICT brackets we already have. And I want to get these sealed up, welded. Big kid's here today. What do you think, Cheeto?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
All right, hang in there. Here we go. So I've already had this engine in here with the cab on. That's how I placed this. That's just another universal cross member. And I did that so I knew where the firewall was. So when I put it back in, I cannot go to the back anymore without hitting the firewall and causing clearance with the floor. So that's my limit. And when I had this in there before, it was a lot lower. And now it looks like I'm gonna hit my cross member, so I do need to go up, which is okay, but if I go up, I'm gonna hit the firewall, so I need to go up and forward. As long as I got enough room for a radiator in there. So before I weld her home, I'll probably throw the grill shell back in there, radiator support. Make sure it looks like I got enough room for that and the fan. I mean, I don't want it forward. I'd rather have it back as far as I can go, but looks like I have no choice. Well, this is what I come up with. I took Bud's cutouts. Trace it.
We got the latest, got the shit, got the misfits. She got the man, now she calls, he missed this. Living big, we never small.
Buddy, knock it off.
Time from now to never take a little shine, so out you go. That's what you can find is light and feather. Yeah, we're good, yeah, you know what I wish, but I wish it with love.
We're cutting out parts for the truck. You want help? Can you weld? Can you grind? Check it out, I've got Bud back. First time in a while. Doing good? We're doing good. So, what do you think, man? I've been busy.
I'm gonna put this baby back in.
Yeah, we gotta put it in. We gotta weld some of these and we gotta take it out. But you gotta help me. We'll put these in, okay? So these, I cut them out of those cardboard templates you made me.
Yeah.
So I got them in here and they'll bolt up to this. So we'll put that in there, kind of bolt it up, and then I'll tack it in with the welder. And then, yeah, we'll go from there.
All right.
Right on. We got a helper today.
Yeah.
Our buddy Emmet. He's an old friend. I went to college with his dad. So he's here visiting. So we need all the help we can get, right? You guys want to put that in?
Yep.
You remember how I showed you? Great Grandpa's here. Well, Freddie always runs away when the camera comes. Flipper with the hole straight up.
Hold straight up.
Yep, just like that.
Like this.
Keep going down. You had her. Flip her back over so you can see the X. This way. Oop! And then run the bolt through and let Emmet put the other one on.
Two. I got that.
What do you think? Have you seen it since I welded all the stuff on?
No. You just
Yeah.
took all the holes out.
Emmet, and you put this one on the back, just like that.
This goes on there.
So I'm gonna weld in the motor mounts, take it back out, and then burn them in
So
good.
you're getting ready for the motor mounts now.
Yeah,
Tack
yep.
it in place.
Yep.
Right here.
And we're gonna prime it.
You can turn it, I think you gotta turn it the other way. There you go.
Yeah, you don't have to get her too tight, just get them on there.
These are in for now.
Yep,
Oh, for good.
I think that's.
they're just on there.
Well, I was wondering, all you gotta do is tighten
Tighten
it.
them.
That's what holds it,
Not
right?
on
This one, that's all that holds that on?
Mhm.
it? Nice.
This is your adjustment?
Yep, that's how you,
Toe in or whatever,
Yeah.
tip?
we'll have to put it up on a rack somewhere. And then there's one on this side. You put them both in and I'll weld them.
It's
Upside down there, bro.
Oh, let's sit down.
upside down. Right?
You keep busy?
Keep moving, yeah. So that fire truck looks awesome.
Yeah. Looking better.
That thing turns out nice.
You helping, Greta? Need a couple more sets of hands in there?
Maybe.
Cool.
So you gotta just tack them to the frame?
Yeah, for the misfits enough. Not aware, couldn't tell how to fix this. She couldn't tell she could fly. Look at this bird. While we hear the thunder roll, most of us will never know. Maybe I like what I do with a triangle. Maybe I'm tired of the wire and across the. Now we work to find a soul. Not alone, we lost control.
Going to burn those in now. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here's what's still kind of hot.
The red one start up? Yeah. That's four-wheel drive, that's the one you want for pulling. How's it going back in the back? Is there a lot of snow?
It was fun.
Is it?
Maybe we can put the cab back on tomorrow?
You got the cab back on now?
Maybe we can get Uncle Jordan help us. It's just behind that door. Maybe? Maybe tomorrow?
Take some ibuprofen for my bad back.
I think that's where it's gonna be. I hope.
Home to home. Looks straighter than it did the first
Looks like a whole new front end. Looks like it's brand new.
Building a whole new car from scratch, basically. Steering, brakes, suspension, everything. Just a cab and two pieces of crooked steel. All right, wanna go home?
Yeah.
You look very excited.
You didn't eat all those Cheetos, did you?
There's half of the bag on the table.
He only ate a bag and a half today.
He didn't eat his lunch I packed for him. All right, let's go.
And the next day. We're lifting it up, guys.
Oh, it's starting to look like a truck, Jack. Ho, ho, ho. That wasn't so bad. How's that? It was worse getting off.
Got it on, guys.
Got you some seats, dude.
Damn you!
Fit. This one's heavy. This one's got a motor.
First try.
That seems a bit large. I scrapped out Betty and we kept her bucket seats. It's kind of should be. Let me make sure it's good, and then I'll put you in it. That one's my dog seat, can you tell? Those are rather large for this vehicle. I thought they would fit better, but
I think old seats were always just little.
we'll get them in there. We'll probably have to take the old tank brace out. That's where the gas tank used to go. Why don't you jump in the driver's side?
Driver's side.
It should be. What do you think?
Yep, first booty to sit in this truck in 40 years.
That looks better. It's got to come forward. We just got it on there because I got helpers today. Yeah, man. What do you think? Can do some donuts? What should we do next? Stereo? I got a battery. Let's put some tunes in it. We don't need drive shafts and steering and brakes and functional rear end. I think we should put some kickers in it. And a 10-disc changer. Like we did in the 90s. It still sits pretty tall. Oh, the whole thing's got to come down, doesn't it? Yeah. It's sitting up on that frame. It'll come down a little bit. Not much, though. All right. Cool, man.
Yeah.